Today, join Bert and I on day 6 of our Maui, Hawaii adventure. We'll walk the beautiful grounds of the Maui Tropical Plantation. We'll have a quick leg stretcher at Keilia National Wildlife Refuge, and then it's off to the food trucks in Kihei. Make sure to like and subscribe, too. This is in the Maui Tropical Plantation. It's kind of a fun store. We've been here several times before. They have some pretty cool... There's a roaster right there. Look at that guy. Kind of unique. Got the banana bread and all sorts of food, fun stuff over there. Get some of your ice creams. We're at the country market in the Maui Tropical Plantation. And a really cool produce area here. Oh, eggplant. I love eggplant. Don't you? And of course, pineapples are a huge thing here. Apple, bananas, papaya. Yeah, pretty neat. Look at those avocados are huge, aren't they? Wow, that's crazy how big those things are. I'll show you. That's huge. And we got more of the onions and tomatoes, more pineapples, green peppers. Yeah. It's cool. I like this place. Oh, pretty cool. We'll go stroll the grounds here in a little bit. Got some local coffees. Well, that's pretty cool. So this actually is a plantation. You can take a tram ride. I think it's $25 per adult, I do believe. That we haven't done. It's really windy out today. You can get some shirts and such. Yeah. I remember this place. Might have to get some banana bread. I don't know. Now we're going to go tour the grounds now. There's Bert. What do you think? Let's go tour the grounds, hey?
Okay.
So the bamboo in there. Those are big bamboos right there. And the gazebo here. Where they have weddings and so forth. I think there's one going on right now, Bert was saying. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful. We're on the grounds of the Maui Tropical Plantation. And always have a nice little walk you can go through. This is kind of a freebie here. Just walking through the grounds and so forth. I guess it closed down during COVID, and maybe not even to be brought back, but here it is, open again. And again, the big deal is the tram ride. I do believe it's $25 per adult. You want to do that today?
No. It's cheap.
She's cheap. Oh, look at here. Yeah. These are cool, you know. Those leaves there. What are these, Hunter? There's a sign, but The leaves are too big. I can't read the sign. It's hiding what they are.
I think they're like lobster claws.
Well, that's maybe what you call them.
No.
No. I'll find out in a second here. They're called heliconia lobster tails. I don't know. The bird said. Oh, look. A boat coming up. Oh, that's an interesting, pretty cool looking, huh? Always cool having a, being in a tropical area. The wind's blowing, but it's pleasant, as far as it's not overly hot. This is called blue jade. It's such a beautiful, beautiful plant, tree, I guess, vine, I guess what it is. It's so cool. They make certainly leis out of these. Very starting to become uncommon because people just cut them down. But I walked up to it and just noticed that all these hanging from here. You see it how it goes up this. So yeah, it's all through the tree here. This is a tree. Beautiful flowers. Wow, it looks like something to put in your hair right there, doesn't it? And then there's a little fish pond here, and you see all the people fishing out here. I mean, this is crowded as can be. And all the kids fishing. You can see them across the way here. It might be. I'm pretty sure that's a nene. He's a good-looking bird there, isn't he? So, look at the people fishing here. I mean, there might be a little bit of a tournament going on here, but it is a Saturday, not even quite afternoon yet. But they're using bamboo fishing poles. So just probably not everybody, but some are. And so, you can see the mountain socked in with the fog. Probably raining up there. Pretty cool. Birds pretty cool tree there, huh? Again, the grounds are just thinking of the studio here. Yeah, pretty cool. Hey, look at got some sunlight here.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah. Look at these.
Look at me. Look at that. Wow.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
I like this.
You can put your mouth under there and I'll get a picture of you.
Yeah, right after you do it first.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't tempt me.
You want a squeeze of lemon in there?
Sure.
That's cool. Ooh, that's like plastic feeling.
Yeah.
But they're not.
No,
They're real.
It's real.
Oh,
Yeah.
I like them a lot.
I wonder what that wheel was made for there.
Wow.
Yeah, it's the coffee grinder for Jolly Green Giant there, I think.
I think so.
Oh, ho, ho. I see me a duck. Oh, yeah. Little heron guy up there. Yeah. Well, I got a bevy of pigeons there. Some ducks. Just kind of doing the chill thing there. And then we have, this is these gears or whatever you want to call them. It was used for the sugar cane, deer pond. When we first came to Maui on our honeymoon, we saw sugar cane fields. I don't know if it's such a thing anymore. Isn't that cool? Yeah. A lot of things on by the wayside, like the sugar cane fields. You gotta put up that condo instead, I guess, huh? Yeah, look at that guy. Grabbing for some foods there, huh? Some sort of heron there.
Yeah, I like this little top notch.
Yeah. You know, you can get fish and bird food here up at the market.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You can see the folks doing the little fishing tournament. Yeah.
That's in the back of your room for Charlotte.
Bert and I made a quick stop at the Keilia Pond National Wildlife Refuge and strolled a short portion of the Kealia Coastal Boardwalk, where many different species of birds can be spotted. We walked out onto Sugar Beach with some pretty cool views of the coastline. The Keilia National Wildlife Refuge Visitor Center is nearby, where we stopped to get a stamp in our National Park Passport book. We're on book 3. Wow.
So we're here in beautiful Kihei, and we just ate we're eating at Kotoko's, and plant-based food, I guess. Everything's plant-based. That's hard. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, that one guy talked about this place.
Oh.
Yeah, and he said you could never tell. And one that says venison, you know, so
Sure.
I don't know if that's plant-based, or I don't see how that would be.
I don't
You know,
know.
but that's shrimp, and I've got some
I know.
loco moco minus the egg. I think there's supposed to be an egg on here or
She said
something
there's
too.
an egg on the salad.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, it'll be interesting, you know. So, yeah, it's quite the food court. Up here is a garden and a couple of food trucks here, but the big food trucks are just down the way, which I'll get in a little bit. But nice. Everything's pretty cool. And I have a bento plate here. Braised beef loco moco. And so that's obviously braised beef. And I think all this is plant-based. Find that shrimp, that's an eyeball there, I think. I see. Is it good? Well, I'll let you know in a minute here what we think here.
Yum.
Okay, again, that's it over there where we ordered it from. Okay then. So this is the gardens, what we just, I guess you can buy things there, can't you?
Did you take? They got Greg's order wrong.
Yeah, so
So now he's got the local milk.
well, it's kind of loco, yeah,
Yeah.
healthy loco moco, I guess.
So
Yeah.
now you got 2 meals.
Well, it's not what I wanted.
$45.
I
You get it right.
was wondering why that white meat didn't taste like beef. But I thought it was vegetable based. It said that there.
Sad.
And so when I saw it, it's like, well, I guess they make it's white because it's vegetable based. It's supposed to taste like meat. That was mahi is what it was.
Which is not bad. But
No, but that's not what I wanted. Yeah,
The traditional, like you've had before, the egg and all that good stuff.
yeah. And then you have all the other food trucks coming up, sitting area. Yeah, kind of a nice
Really nice. food truck
area here. Yeah, and then
Yeah.
we'll be heading back home after this. And then the regular food trucks here. I would have eaten there at Tim Hortons where you would have really got a real loco moco, but they're closed. Yeah. Well, maybe we'll come back tomorrow. Not. Okay, so for Bert, saying that I didn't like the wrong thing that I got, boy, it's very tasty. So I'm glad that they made up for it, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. So yeah, just really, really good. I would have been very happy at the time if I had this in the first place.
Well, that made me sad because I didn't want to see you throwing away half of your meal, especially at the prices over here, So I thought,
Yeah.
I'm going to say something to her. Lo and behold, I got the wrong order for you.
So, it's our dinner for the night. Very
And
nice.
I get the chicken.
Sure. Your reward.
Huh?
Your reward.
Yeah, I gave you a shrimp.
Oh, you did, yeah.
Next up, join Bert and I for a couple more days of tropical paradise in Maui. We'll attempt to see the Nakalele blowhole and then reward ourselves with a quick melting gelato. The next morning, we're off to Ho'akipa Beach with the hopes of seeing sea turtles. And then we'll walk through some bamboo forest to get to the beautiful Twin Falls. We finish our day with a trip to the laid-back surfer hippie town of Paia. We actually take a sunset sail later in the day, but you'll have to wait one more week to see that awesome adventure on Out and About with G&B.